Hello my loves, how are ya? I missed you so much. But today I'll show you my blowout routine for my dry, frizzy and wavy hair. I used a regular shampoo and my regular mask, and then I spray my hair to soften it. You can leave your hair to air dry, but I use my blow dryer for this. When my hair is about 80 or 90% dry, I'll use my smoothing cream, and also I like to add a little bit of my serum into this smoothing cream. Then you want to distribute it. Now you want to select underneath a small section. Use a blow dry to dry it a little bit, and then using a round brush, you want to select one section from one side. Using a round brush, you want to kind of spin it and follow it by the dryer, like I'm showing here. By spinning it, you tame the frizz of your hair. That's why this is very important to do it. So you want to repeat this on other side. You want to make it several times. First you want to dry the roots, and then you want to go down until reaching the ends. Then you want to select another section and repeat the steps again. Grab a section, and then grabbing a round brush, you want to spin it like I'm showing here. It should be followed by your dryer like I'm showing. So I want to continue these steps over and over again until reaching the top of your head. At this point, you want to release your top section, brush it first, and then selecting your front small tiny section, you want to dry it towards your face like I'm showing, creating a little bit of volume on the top. You want to dry it, and we want to follow next sections by it. This is our last section, so we want to dry all these top sections together to create more volume. Now we want to bring our hair upwards like so, creating our volume. Then you want to create your parting on the side you like. I'll use again my lovely serum, but just a little bit to tame the frizz. And they're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what to think about this blowout for frizzy wavy hair. I hope it wasn't boring. If you have any hairstyle suggests or requests, please leave them in comments down below and tell me please what to think about this video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.